Have you ever wished you could turn your ideas into stunning visuals, cinematic videos, or even professional voiceovers instantly? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are diving into an incredible free AI tool called Design Arena AI. And in this tutorial, we will learn how to generate text to image, text to video, and even text to speech. We will walk through each feature step by step in real time. So sit back, relax, and follow along. Before we begin, make sure you watch till the end because I'm also going to show you a bonus section where you will learn how to use ChatGPT to generate perfect prompts for images, videos, and voiceovers. Let's get started.
Open a web browser and search for ChatGPT. Click on the official link and log in if you are not already logged in. Once ChatGPT opens, click on the chat box and type the following. Give me an image prompt to generate an action-packed Hollywood-style movie scene. Now press the Generate button. ChatGPT will begin creating a detailed and cinematic prompt for us. This prompt will be used to generate an image and a video inside Design Arena AI. While ChatGPT is generating the prompt, let's move to the next step. Open a new browser tab and search for Design Arena AI. Click on the official link. Once the website loads, look for the Sign In button at the top. Click on it. You will see two options. One option is to log in with Google, and the other is to enter your email manually. You can choose either option. For this tutorial, I will click on the Login with Google button because it is fast and easy. After logging in, you will land on the Design Arena AI dashboard. Here, you will see different creative tools like image, video, text-to-speech, and many more. For now, let's start with generating an AI image. Click on the Image button. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the Hollywood-style movie scene prompt that was generated. Return to Design Arena AI, click on the text box, and paste the prompt inside. Once the prompt is pasted, click on the Submit button and wait for a moment. Design Arena AI will now begin creating a high-quality AI image based on the description. This may take a few seconds depending on the complexity of the prompt. Once the image is generated, you can preview it. If you like what you see, you can download the image onto your computer. Design Arena AI usually produces dramatic, sharp, and highly detailed images, so feel free to experiment with more prompts later. Now let's move on to something even more exciting, generating an AI video. To create a video, click on the Video button at the top of the dashboard. Inside the text box, paste the same Hollywood-style movie prompt that ChatGPT gave us. After pasting the prompt, click on the Submit button again. Design Arena AI will now convert the text into a short video clip that looks cinematic, fast-paced, and visually impressive. Once the video is ready, you will see a preview. Take your time to watch the video carefully. If you like the output, click on the Download button to save it onto your computer. You can now use this video in your YouTube content, short films, shorts, reels, or even for your storytelling projects. Now that we have created text-to-image and text-to-video, let's move to the third feature, text-to-speech. This time, let's go back to ChatGPT. In the chat box, type, "Give me the narration script on morals." Press Generate. ChatGPT will now create a beautiful narration script based on moral values. Once the script is ready, copy the entire text. Now return to Design Arena AI. Click on the +7 More button and choose the text-to-speech option. Here, You will find a text box where you can paste the script you copied. Paste the script into the box and then click on the Submit button. Design Arena AI will now convert your text into a natural-sounding voiceover. It may take a few seconds to generate the audio. Once the audio file is ready, press the play button to listen to it.
In life, we all face choices, some easy, some difficult. But what truly defines us is not what we gain, but how we choose to walk our path. Morals are the invisible compass that guide our actions. They remind us that honesty matters even when no one is watching, that kindness can change someone's entire day, and that doing the right thing is rarely easy, but always.
In life, we all face choices, some easy, some difficult. But what truly defines us is not what we gain, but how we choose to walk our path. Morals are the invisible compass that guide our actions. They remind us that honesty matters even when no one is watching, that kindness can change someone's entire day, and that doing the right thing is rarely easy, but always rewarding. Morals teach us that respect is not earned by power, but by compassion.
If you like the voice and tone, you can download the file directly to your computer. This is extremely useful if you want to create videos without narrating them yourself. Your AI influencer videos, motivational videos, story videos, and tutorial videos can all be fully automated using this feature. Design Arena AI also offers several additional options in its menu. You can explore tools for image variations, video enhancements, prompt refinement, background generation, and more. I hope you take some time to explore these features and try different prompts. The more detailed your prompts are, the better your results will be. This powerful tool allows you to create professional quality content in minutes, without expensive equipment, without hiring actors, and without recording your own voice. Everything is done by AI, and it's completely free to start.
Before we conclude, remember that combining the right prompts from ChatGPT with the creative power of Design Arena AI can completely transform your content creation workflow. Whether you are a YouTuber, a student, a storyteller, a freelancer, or someone who simply loves experimenting with AI, this tool will help you bring your ideas to life instantly. If you learned something new today, make sure to like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what features you want me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe to Vision Academy for more AI tutorials, creative tool walkthroughs, and step-by-step guides. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.